Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Speak English. I am Julie. If you are watching this right now, I want you to do one thing. Not in your head, not later, right now, out loud. Here is something most English learners never hear. Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth needs training, not just your brain. And that is exactly what we are going to do today together. In this video, I will say real English sentences, and your only job is to repeat them with me. That's it. No grammar rules, no translation, just speak. Don't worry if your accent is not perfect. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to move your mouth, build the rhythm, and feel more natural every single time you practice. This is day 1 of your 30-day shadowing journey. Let's begin. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain how this works. The technique we are using is called shadowing. I say the sentence, then I pause. That pause is your moment. Repeat the sentence out loud. Copy the rhythm. Copy the sound. We will practice each sentence together. Ready? Let's warm up first. These sentences are short and positive. So remember, listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak out loud. Let's begin. I will speak slowly. Repeat after me. I am ready to speak English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I will practice every day. I speak slowly and clearly. I am improving every day. Now a little longer sentences. I wake up early in the morning. I drink a cup of coffee. I start my day with a smile. I like to learn new things. I enjoy speaking English. Let's continue. I go to work or school every day. I talk to people around me. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I keep trying. I do not give up. Part 2. Natural daily speaking. Now we speak a little faster. Repeat after me. Today is a good day to practice English. I want to speak more confidently. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to speak. Every small step is progress. Let's continue. Sometimes I don't know the right word. That's okay. I can still speak. I can use simple words. I can explain my ideas. People will understand me. More practice. I am training my mouth to speak. I repeat sentences again and again. I listen and copy the sound. I follow the rhythm of English. I sound more natural every day. Part 3. Thinking in English. Now let's practice thinking in English. Repeat after me. What should I do today? Maybe I will go outside. Or maybe I will stay at home. I feel a little tired today, but I still want to practice. More thoughts. I am sitting and practicing English. I am focused and calm. I am improving step by step. I believe in myself. I can do this. Part 4. Longer sentences. Now longer sentences. Stay relaxed and repeat. When I practice every day, my English improves faster. Even if I make mistakes, I keep speaking. I don't stop. I continue learning. Confidence comes from practice. Speaking becomes easier over time. Let's go again. I am building a strong speaking habit. I am training my brain and my mouth together. I listen carefully and repeat clearly. I enjoy this process. Learning English can be fun. Now, challenge time. Listen and repeat quickly. I speak English every day, and I feel more confident. I don't wait for the perfect moment, I just start speaking. I use simple words to express my ideas clearly. I am not afraid of mistakes because they help me learn. I practice again and again until it feels natural. Again, I train my mouth by repeating real English sentences. I listen to the sound and copy the rhythm carefully. I want to sound natural and relaxed when I speak. I believe that I can become fluent step by step. I will continue practicing every single day. Now, listen and speak at the same time. No stopping. I am practicing English right now, and I feel proud of myself because I am taking action and improving step by step every day. And I know that if I continue like this, I will become more confident and fluent in speaking English. Let's do it one more time. I am practicing English right now, and I feel proud of myself because I am taking action and improving step by step every day. And I know that if I continue like this, I will become more confident and fluent in speaking English. Great job today. You are training your mouth, your brain, and your confidence. Remember, practice every day, even just 10 minutes, and you will see real progress. See you in the next lesson.